Kabad sa is. Oy! I think they don't have any feeders anymore because they are biting.
Just move here.
They are so bad, and even the chicken is biting the small duckling. Yeah, bad. So
This is amazing, isn't it? Eh?
yeah.
Oh my God.
Look. This is amazing to have that. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
Yeah, they're quack, quack.
Yeah. Doctor Quack Quack. Many doctors here.
Yeah, many doctors. They are
Where all the
so
doctors get
fat.
their training. Yeah, these are different ducks.
Yeah,
I've forgotten the name now, but you've got two different sorts of ducks here.
like baby. That's the name, baby.
Yeah.
This-
The one's Itik.
Ostrich.
Oh, no. Oh.
See? Let's go.